Ow! You're sharp. My fault. Stuck. What are we going to do?
Maisie. Maisie, steal Phil's nose as well. Steal Phil's nose.
Yeah.
See if we can get the ball back then.
Right, we'll put some
Take it.
Your mum get
My
that?
scissors.
I don't know.
My
Oh, she got so much for Christmas, I don't know who got what. Your scissors, they're on the sofa next to Phil.
Phil needs his nose taken.
Go
You
st-
do it.
no, you do it.
You do it. Michael, you do it.
You hold Izzy's
Take
hand.
your nose.
You,
Give me your nose.
not me.
Take his nose.
No, not my nose. Yours. Yours.
No, you're going to hurt me. You're not very... You're not gentle like me. You're gentle.
Oh, right in the nostril.
First attempt was.
That one.
Get Joe's nose.
No!
Get Joe's nose. Joe's been like...
No!
No.
Get Joe's nose.
No.
Get Phil's nose.
Get Phil's nose. Getting yourself?
No. I put it on the floor.
You taking a picture of the floor?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Put that picture on the floor.
Shall I take a picture of the floor?
Yeah.
Okay.
Put that button up there.
Hmm.
Like me. No, not the bag.
Don't it?